How to clear cache in the Bybit app. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. If you are on Bybit app and want to clear its cache, then first of all, open the Bybit app on your device and make sure that you're logged in. After you are signed in, go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. From the expanded menu, click on the gear icon at the top right. You'll then end up in the User Center. From the User Center, select General. Inside General, scroll down and click on Storage Management. Now, click on the trash icon right next to Cache and select Confirm. From the same page, you can also go ahead and clear other options such as logs, applet, multi-language option, etc. So that's how you easily clear your cache from your Bybit application using your mobile device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.